It's fall and it is pumpkin time. We have pumpkins in all sorts of colors and shapes and sizes. Hi, I'm Michelle from GARDENWORKS, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pumpkin planter. I'm going to show you 3 different options for planting in your pumpkin. The first thing you want to do is make sure you've carved out your pumpkin, taken all the insides out, and it's ideal to let it dry for even a half a day or so. Just remember that when you're planting in your pumpkin, the pumpkins, once they're carved, are not going to last very long, so maybe 3 days to a week, so keep that in mind. First one I'm going to start with is the white pumpkin. We've carved it out, let it dry for a little bit, and this one I'm going to place a pot inside the pumpkin so that when the pumpkin starts to disintegrate, you can easily just pop the pot out and set it on your table. So I'm just using a terracotta pot. I've carved the pumpkin out so that it'll hold this pot, and I'm just going to fill the pot up with some soil. And this one is going to be pretty simple. I'm just going to use a fern, a couple of ferns. Just take a little bit of the soil off of them. Almost looks like the pumpkin has a little hairdo. Fill in the spaces with a bit of soil, and then just to cover up the terracotta pot, because I don't really want to see that, is I'm just going to use a little bit of dried moss. I think I might use this color right here. Just kind of tuck it in there a little bit. And there you go, you've got your pumpkin with a fern. It almost looks like it's got a little bit of hair at the top. So the next pumpkin I'm going to plant in is the green one. These ones are beautiful, I love them. And I'm going to choose succulents. This time I'm going to plant directly in the pumpkin. So the first thing I want to do is add a piece of plastic or cellophane just to line the pumpkin. And then you can add your soil in. The succulents look really great in this color of a pumpkin. And with succulents, you don't have to worry because you don't really need to water them for the lifespan of the pumpkin, because it's only, remember, it's only going to last maybe 3 to 5 days. And I'm just going to cut off the trim around the cello and get started planting. Now that I've finished planting all my succulents, I'm going to just add a little bit of moss to cover up the edge of the pumpkin. So my next pumpkin planter, I'm going to use stems and branches. So you can go out into your backyard and get some stems or branches. What I'm going to use, I just love eucalyptus. I've got some Symphocarpus, the white berries, a little bit of boxwood, and I'm just going to use an assortment of those stems inside the pumpkin. Again, you want to line it with some plastic, and what I'm using is a floral foam that I've soaked in water so that the stems will last a little bit longer. So I'm just going to get started. So have some fun with pumpkins this fall season, and especially before Thanksgiving, you can decorate your table with these lovely pumpkin planters. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.